so this is our first build. It's a 1983 Ford Mustang notchback. Started out as a 4-cylinder automatic. We're going to put a 347 stroker in it with a 5-speed. It's got claimed by my 3-year-old son, so we're going to play with it until he gets old enough to drive it. Let's show you where we started. We already pulled the engine, transmission, rear end. We started from a running car. We already got it to a stripped down open canvas. So we're going to record this build for you and hopefully enjoy it. First, we're going to start with the undercarriage and sealing it with, not sponsored, but this is the best stuff ever. Eastwood. We're going to put underneath the whole car and front to back, clean it up and seal it. Strategy. I really love it. You're like, mine's so detailed and I don't know where you're going to be able to get into or not. So you didn't do anything and you left it all for me. All the dirty stuff. Like, well, you might be able to get better in there than me.
Hey, you said
more surface area.
I'm still not doing a good job either.
Yeah, you're doing great. This is the love of a barn find. This is a true barn find. 36 years of barn dust. Ugh. No rust, nothing through. No, if there's anything, it's surface. So, she'll be good to go. Ooh. I gotta go change the oil. I'll be back. So runny when it first starts, like It's not thick at all. It's got a good coat to it, but it's thin, and it dries so hard and it covers so well. Like.
So do you prefer this over a spray can? I know they have spray cans of this.
No,
stuff.
you can spray this also. You can roll it on, paint it on, or spray it on. It's really up to you. It's so, like I said, it's not super thick, so you can do just about anything with it.
Right.
And it coats it really good, and it gets it hard. It hardens it really well. And when it finishes it, when it dries, it comes out perfect. It looks like you sprayed it on.
Right.
It's some of the best product I've used. I've used a lot of different product. It's got a good price to it. They're starting to come down on the price a little bit, but even at a higher price, it's still well worth it. It'll seal you what you got. It'll give it a professional look, and it'll last another 37 years. By making sure it's protected. It's definitely worth it. I mean, we're adding weight to a race car, but it's also a race car that I'm trying to preserve for my kid when he gets older. So it's definitely worth a little bit of added weight for saving a rust-free car like this and trying to make sure it stays rust-free for the next generation to come.
If you like that video, like
And
subscribe, and see what we got next going on with the old Mustang project.